Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add email accounts in Windows 11. So first, you have to go to your Start menu or Search menu, and then here, you have to type Settings. Click Open, and then here under Settings, you have to look for Accounts. Double tap this one. Under Accounts, you will see these options: Your Info, Email and Accounts, Sign-in options, Access Work or School, Family and other users, Windows Backup. So what you're going to do here is click Email and Accounts. So here you will see this accounts used by email, calendar, and contacts. Click this plus icon and add an account. A new window will pop up with several email provider options, such as Google, Outlook, Office 365, Google, Yahoo, iCloud, and other accounts. So choose which one you want to log in. Also, you can add a Microsoft account right here if you have. Just tap, wait for a couple of seconds, and then here you can sign in using your email, phone, or Skype, or create a new one. Another way to simply add your email account in Windows is you can go back and then search for Control Panel. Here under Control Panel, you have to look for Mail Microsoft Outlook. Tap this one. And then next step is to click this Add button and then create an account name here or profile name. So for example, my profile name is email. Once done, you need to click OK. And then you can now create an email account. So add your name, email address, password, and then retype password. After that, click Next. And then here you can add your email account. If you don't have one, and then create a Google account or email account here. And that's how you add email accounts on Windows 11.